Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a quiz or you can create a test in order to upload it directly to Canvas for an assessment. So the first thing I want to do is open up my test generator app that I downloaded through my.hrw.com. Okay, that's our textbook website, and you can download the software and the question bank straight from there. So whenever I come here, I always want to create a test from scratch and then give it a title. So this one, I'm just going to call this sample test and click OK. And then I'm going to go up here to select. I like to choose select while viewing so I can see the question. If you know the standard of the types of questions you want, you could also just select by standard, but then it's just going to show you all of them. Okay, so I like to go by view while viewing and look at Algebra 1. You can go by TEK or module. I'm just going to go by module. And it's going to display several questions from all the questions from that module. Okay. And so I'm just going to click on a few random questions, and you can go through and pick whichever ones you want. You can, however you want to do it, but you can create your assessment. So there, I've got 4 questions picked. I'm going to click finish. And so this is how you could preview it. Okay. You can see your questions, and if you need to go through and modify them, you can. Any questions that have the calculator icon right here, those are ones where you can actually recalculate those values. Okay. For the questions, so you just click the calculator, and it changes up the numbers in the problem without changing the whole problem. Okay. Also, if it has a red dot, you can click the toggle bimodal, so you can take a question from multiple choice and turn it into a short answer. Okay, I'm going to turn it back. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to File, and we are going to export. Okay, we want to export to Blackboard 7.1 to 9.0. And then I just throw all my stuff in downloads. You can put it wherever you want. I'm going to call this sample test. And I'm going to tell it to replace the one I already created earlier when I practiced this. And whatever information you want to put here, you can put a description. I just put whatever name you want that works for you. Okay, so that's been done. So I'm going to minimize this, and I'm going to go to my browser. Okay, so here I'm in this is my Canvas page. Now the computer wants to be slow. There we go. So where we're actually going to go here is go down to settings. So I'm going to scroll down. Oop, went too far. Here we go. We're going to go to settings. And over here on the right side of the screen, you want to import course content. So you want to import content type. We're going to import a Blackboard 6789 export zip file, and then choose your file from wherever you saved it. In this case, I saved mine in my downloads, and it's called sample test, and click open. Okay, and you can create a new question bank, or you can assign it one you've already created. I created one already, I think in the past. So we want to choose, if you've already created a question bank that you want to dump it into, you can choose one of these down here. I'm just going to tell it to create a new question bank and give it a name. So this is sample Examview upload. I'm going to tell it upload all content and import. Okay, and so now you can see it gives you your queue for your current jobs. And once it says completed, then we're going to go over to the left side of the screen and go to quizzes. So here it's going to show you a list of all quizzes that are already created. And you can see that, remember when I created that one, it was called sample test. So there it is right there. And you can actually publish it as it is as a quiz. So you can go to edit and you can assign those questions as a quiz. And so you can choose all your options as far as a quiz goes. Okay, and assign it that way and just click publish whenever you're done. But it also upload them as a question bank. So if you wanted to upload, if you wanted to make multiple Examview export files for different types of questions, and then come in and create a quiz and pull from those question banks, you can do the same thing. But this is the quick and easy way to get your Examview files uploaded to Canvas. If you have questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section below.